YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell another friend and tell somebody else to tell their mama, because we live over here. And y'all, without further ado, today will be part 2 of the video. If you know, you know, because if you watch part 1, then you know what's coming in part 2. But then you don't, because it's a surprise. So y'all, I'm going to unbox this. I'm going to just try to unbox it. Hold on, because it got my name on it. Y'all know Amazon. Okay. So we can open it like this. I see the face. So y'all know in my first video, I did an unboxing of the Tiffany doll. And I seen that they had another Tiffany doll, and I just had to get it. Oh, y'all, hold on. And I purchased this off of Amazon. And y'all, I just thought it was so stinking cute. And of course, the box is ripped. That's one thing. Amazon's gonna give you a messed up box. So y'all, this is the Talking Tiffany doll. It says try me, I talk. And y'all, as y'all can see, it's right here. So let's see it.
I believe we've already met, haven't we, sweet face? I hope you left room for dessert.
I believe we've met already, sweet face. I hope you have room for desserts.
Take it from me, honey. Plastic is no substitute for a nice hunk of wood.
Oh my goodness. It says she moves mouse and head, turns side to side, speaks movie phrases from Bride of Chucky. I purchased this off of Amazon, but this is from the actual Spirit Halloween store, which you can order stuff from there, or actually go into the store if you have a Spirit Halloween in your state. She sits 14 inches tall, which is 2 feet total in length. This is how she looks. And she does come with the biker jacket, but she doesn't come with the veil.
Oh, Chucky, look at us. Don't you see? We belong dead. Goodbye, darling. I'll see you in hell.
Oh my goodness, I don't know if I want to take it out the box. Yeah. I'll take it out the box for you guys. Y'all probably like, why would you want that? Y'all, I love Halloween movies. Like, if you don't know me, and if you don't know, now you know. I love Halloween movies. I don't care if it's Valentine's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, whatever, all holidays, that's 365 days of the year. I love watching Halloween movies all the time, 24/7. 24/7. I'm so excited, I'm choking. Okay, is she bolted down? Oh yeah, y'all, she's bolted down. I want to keep her in the box when I take her out. Y'all, I want to keep her in the box. Oh, excuse me, her coughing. She's stuck on. Hold on, y'all, because I don't want to break it. y'all. I think, oh, her butt. Her butt is stuck on something. Hold on.
We can do this the easy way. I believe we've already met, haven't we, sweet face? I hope you left room for dessert.
Hold on, y'all. Now it's saying requires 3 AA batteries sold separately. Let's see. Oh, okay. I was about to say, we had a litiation over here. A lit situation. Everybody like, well, if it was that, you should never got it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it. Alright, y'all. So that tab I actually threw over there, it was a tab that, hold on that. A tab that you could, you know, basically, oh, I don't want her butt all out. We're ladies over here. Okay. So basically, hold on, let me just check. Okay, so basically there's a thing that's like a try me. You know when you be like somewhere where you can like, where it says try me or play me or something like that. So y'all, here we go. She does have on her leather jacket. This is so cute. She has on her wedding dress. Hold on, what's this ankle thing? Hold on, y'all. Let me just cut these off real quick. I think this is so cute. So cute. And I remember when the Tiffany doll first came out, I want to say I was in high school. Because it was her and Chucky that came out. So I want to say it was like the early 2000s, mid 2000s. Y'all talk about my mom went in one. She was like, you will not bring that thing in this house. And look at me grown now. I got 2 of them. Hey, Millie Wop. So yes, this is cute. Her boots are just like the other one. I want to say the original one that came out, you can actually take her boots off. And I think Girlfriend like had thick lashes. It was cute. I was gonna get that one, but I think y'all, they was talking about like 500 retail sale, and I'm just like, no. So I got this one. I thought it was cute. Here's a little shedding, but that's okay. It's okay. She has the Chucky right there. The tattoo. She has the Tiffany necklace. The difference between this one and the other one is this one talks, the other one doesn't. And I thought this was so cute. So this is the little try me button that was connected to the box.
Take it from me, honey. Plastic is no substitute for a nice hunk of wood.
And her mouth slightly moves.
Oh, Chucky, look at us. Don't you see? We belong dead. We can do this the easy way or the hard way. It's really up to you. I believe we've already met, haven't we, sweet face? I hope you left room for dessert.
I thought that was so cute, y'all. So as you can see, oh, and this one doesn't have a veil. So my first one I was wearing a veil, but I really got the veil. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I really purchased the veil so I can put on here. I thought this was so cute because she didn't come with the veil. So we're going to do a little compare and contrast. Hold on, let's do it without the veil, or with the veil over the head. So without the veil, this is the 2 So yeah, as you can see, this one, her face looks a little chunkier. They're both around the same height, I want to say. Yeah, for the most part. This one doesn't come with a jacket. This one does. The price point, I want to say one was $89 and one was $69. Don't quote me, but I'll definitely link both dolls down below. I purchased them both on Amazon, even though one says it's from Spencer's and one says Spirit Halloween, but they both were purchased off of Amazon. So that's that one. You can see they still have the Chucky tattoo. They got the Tiffany necklace. Hers kind of, it's bent around. But yeah, they both got the Tiffany necklace, lipstick, the mole, the Monroe piercing, and eyebrows, lashes, the makeup around the eyes. So yeah, they're still the same. They still have the blonde hair, white wedding dress, same combat boots, same ones. So yeah, y'all, I'm very happy with my purchases, and I thought it was so cool. I just had to share with you guys. Oh my gosh! But yes, this is my video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, before I go, y'all, when I purchased these, I had to purchase some shirts. Had to. So y'all, I'll link these down below if I can find them. I purchased this off of Amazon. It says relationship goals. Y'all, look at this. So cute. So stinking cute. And then I actually found this at Walmart. One day I was just minding my own business, and y'all, I found this shirt and I had to get it. Y'all, the good doll, I said the good doll, the good guy doll shirt. So cute. So cute. So yes, I will try to link this down below from Walmart and this shirt from Amazon, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. See ya.